Okay, well, this is my 1987 24-foot Morgan boat restoration project. You can see it's a semi-tunnel haul. Had a Yanmar 4-cylinder Yanmar diesel in it, which boat's been sitting on the back burner for a while now. I ran out of money. Now I don't want to put the inboard back in it. I want to put an outboard on it. So obviously I'm going to have to do a little bit of modification. Not sure if I can leave that tunnel in there or not. But the boat was completely rotted. The roof was rotted. Here's my new roof being built out of that high density foam. Still not sure what I'm doing, but I think it'll turn out all right. I might get back to that. But all new stringers except for the main two bulkheads that go up that bolted the diesel right there. I'm thinking about making a big fish box or something right there. The cabin was completely enclosed with windows, big door, heavy. Cut it all out. Made it like that because I got dual stations. I'm going to put a station there. It's a crab boat. I'm going to put a puller there. That still needs to be modified. I just put those gussets down in the side there, so when it was set up, if you got hung up, it pulled on the whole side of the boat. So you can see that I made those go all the way under the floor, and you can be able to pull the boat over with that. Still got to be all modified. Changed the dashboard. The dashboard was flat. Now it's at a 45. Put a new front bulkhead in. It's a lot of work. Just so happens that I got a lot of pieces of fiberglass from an old boat builder. So this is all just solid fiberglass that I didn't have to lay. It's just, instead of using wood or anything else, it's just going to be all built out of fiberglass. A little bit of wood, but mostly fiberglass and composite. This whole wall was solid wrought. They didn't have no weep holes. So I'm just still going to have to put some kind of a weep holes in there. But this is the Morgan project. Any advice is appreciated. Thank you.